Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. Let's talk about Stylam Industries. The stock is surging in trade after Equirus has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating. Mangalam is here with the details. Mangalam, a lot of initiating coverages on the stock.
A lot of initiating coverages indeed. In fact, a couple of weeks ago, we had a coverage coming in from Investec, and now there is Equirus, which has written. And while the overall broad thesis is similar to that, their target price is closer to 2,500 rupees, and they have initiated coverage with a buy rating or a long call, as they call it in their terminology. The thesis is pretty simple. Over the last couple of years, the company has been among the top 4 manufacturers of laminates with a market share of almost 8%. The second largest laminate exporter, where the exports market share is close to around 19% itself, and exports contributes about 2/3 of its revenues. So almost 97% of the company's revenues comes in from laminates, and also has presence in acrylic, solid surfaces and pre-laminated MDF. So increased capacity and increased exports could be important triggers for the company going ahead. Over the last 10 years, they've grown faster than the industry. So, on a revenue CAGR basis, the company's revenues have compounded at around 17%, EBITDA at around 25%, and as a result of which, the bottom line at around 34% over the last 10 years. So with that, they believe that this runway could continue with the company's strong export focus, rising share of value-added products, which could be margin accretive. They've added capacity in laminates business, so that would be important as well. And from a balance sheet standpoint, they are debt-free, so that would be positive too. Equirus has built in a revenue CAGR of 18% over the next few years, EBITDA at 15% and net profit at 13%. Quite a difference from what the company has been doing over the last 10 years. But even if you account for these numbers, they have valued the company at 25 times 1 year forward earnings, and hence they come at a target price of just under 2,500 rupees.
Thank you so much for that, Mangalam, for putting the spotlight as far as Stylam Industries is concerned. Let's now focus on Dhanlaxmi.